This is Rosie, and I am here to tell you about HTML. What is HTML and how we can work in HTML? So, first question is what is HTML? That stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it is considered as a coding language that is used to create hypertext document for the World Wide Web or Internet. What does HTML contains? HTML contains basically three parts. A first, that is tags. A block of text is enclosed with tags that indicate how it should appear, how the text or particular function should be appear on the web page. In HTML, using the concept of hyperlinks, a word, a string of text, an image, etc. can be linked to another file on the web. And third, HTML files are viewed with a web browser like your Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, all these. Now, how to create an HTML document? Firstly, for creating an HTML document, you need only one software, that is your Notepad. And second, for running the HTML document for the output, that is your web browser. Now, how we will create a HTML document? Firstly, start the Notepad program by clicking on Start button, and there a menu will be displayed. There you will find Notepad option. Type the matter for your web page, whatsoever matter you want to type or coding of the HTML document, that should be typed on the Notepad. After that, save the file with .htm or .html extension so that it can easily identified by the web browser that it is a file of HTML program. And after that, the web page will be created with the name given, by which name you have saved your file. That name will be given, web page will be created, and after that you can double click on it by to see the result on its icon. Now, HTML tags. There are total two types of HTML tags: container tags and empty tag. Container tags, which are having a beginning and ending tag, and the end tag is always similar to beginning tag, but there is a minor difference, that is slash in front of it. In ending tag, we put slash sign. Empty tag, that are standalone tags, and they do not need any kind of ending tag. They are just having only opening tag. Now, structure of a HTML document. There is a basic structure of HTML document given here. Firstly, we have to open the HTML tag like this, and we open the tags in HTML like this: greater than sign, less than sign, and a text, a set of letters in between that. That is considered as a tag. Firstly, we will open HTML tag. After that, head, then title. Head, that is used to display the title of the web page. Here we will type the name of the page, first page. After that, title close. There is a backslash sign inserted there, and after that, head close. Now, the fourth tag that is opened here, that is your body tag. Body tag is a kind of tag which contains each and everything which you want to display on your web page, whether it is a text, image, any formatting type, anything could be there. That should be mentioned between the body tag. I have written here, I study in 7th standard. I just want to display on web page this one line, I study in 7th standard. After that, body tag close, and in the last, HTML tag close. Now, what are attributes? Attributes क्या होते हैं? वो attributes that provide additional information to the tag, and a tag become more useful with the help of an attribute. When we enhance the working capability of any tag, that is considered as your attributes. Now, here is a table given there. First one is tag there, second attributes of the tag, and third is your description, and fourth how to use that. Now, first tag is body tag. The main tag is here, body, and it is having three attributes: bg color, text, and background. These three attributes are here. So firstly, we will discuss about bg color. It is used to set the background color of the web page, and we can use this like this: body tag start, then space, attribute name. Attribute name is here bg color. Then we will write attribute name bg color is equal to sign double quotes, and after that, value of attribute. Then color name will be here, like your red, green, blue, orange, crayon. Total 16 type of colors are available here. Now the second one is your text. It is used to set the color of the text displayed on a web page, and we can use it in the same way. Third one is your background. When we want to insert a image as a background of our web page, then we can use background attribute. It is used to set an image for the background. The image will tile itself to form the background of your web page. And now how we can use that? Body, then space, attribute name, that is background, is equal to double quotes and the path of the file which you want to insert, path of the image which you want to insert on your web page. Now here is an example. I have used two things here: BG color, that is background color, to crayon, and text color to red. Firstly, we have to open HTML, then head, then title tag, use of body tag. I have written the title here, use of body tag. After that, title close, and then head close. After that, again we will open the body tag, and in that we will use two attributes, BG color and text. We can use all the attributes at the same time, or we can use a single attribute also. After that, I love my country, I have written this message, then body tag close, then HTML tag close, and the result of this will be like this. In the title bar, you can see the title which you have mentioned in the title tag, use of body tag, and on the screen there is a background color, that is your crayon, and text color is red. Now some other tags and their uses. If you want to make text bold, then you can use the bold tag, and how you can use that? It is denoted by B. Second, italics. When you want to make text italic, then you will use I tag. Underline, the text within these tags will have a underline, then it will be used by U. Line break, when you want to insert a new line, it is used to give a line break, BR. And last one is your horizontal rule. It is used to insert a horizontal line on your web page. And last one is your HR, horizontal rule. That is the tag by which you can use horizontal rule. Now you can see difference there, that tag bold, italic and underline, that is having opening and closing both. It means that is a container tag. And last two, that is having only opening, not any kind of closing tag or ending tag.